Dear friends, today I will discuss another section from chapter 13 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patent Act 1970. This is section 69 and the title is Registration of Assignments, Transmissions, etc. Okay, so here I have recommended that please refer Rule 90 and 90. Please refer Rule 90 and 92. Fine? Okay, so I will explain all the subsections through my key points. Subsection 1. Where any person becomes entitled by assignment, transmission or operation of law to a patent or to a share in a patent or becomes entitled as a mortgagee, licensee or otherwise to any other interest in a patent, he shall apply in writing in the prescribed manner to the controller for the registration of his title or as the case may be of notice of his interest in the register. Fine. Okay, so as I always say, please take a look or observe the underlined words carefully and read the subsections with the punctuation marks carefully. Fine. Okay, in short I have explained here, when a person is entitled to patent by an assignment, transmission or operation by law, etc., then he shall apply in writing to the controller for registration of his title or of notice of his interest in the register. Fine. Okay, so and for this subsection please refer Rule 90 and Rule 92. Whereas Rule 90 is registration of title and interest in patents, whereas Rule 92 is about registration of title or interest in a patent. Fine. Okay, next subsection 2. Without prejudice to the provisions of subsection 1, an application for the registration of the title of any person becoming entitled by assignment to a patent or a share in a patent or becoming entitled by virtue of a mortgage, license or other instrument to any other interest in a patent may be made in the prescribed manner by the assigner, mortgager, licensor or other party to that instrument as the case may be. Fine. The same thing is applied also here. Please take care. Fine. So in short I can explain it like, besides section 69 subsection 1, or we can say without doing any prejudice to section 69 subsection 1, an application for registration of title of a person entitled to a patent by any instrument as mentioned above like license, mortgage, etc., may be made by the assigner, mortgager, licensor or any other party to that instrument, etc. Fine. Okay. Next is subsection 3. Where an application is made under this section for the registration of the title of any person, the controller shall, upon proof of title of his satisfaction, clause A, where that person is entitled to a patent or a share in a patent, register him in the register as proprietor or co-proprietor of the patent and enter in the register particulars of the instrument, or even by which he derives title. Or clause B says, where that person is entitled to any other interest in the patent, enter in the register notice of his interest with particulars of the instrument, if any, creating it, provided that if there is any dispute between the parties whether the assignment, mortgage, license, transmission, operation of law or any other such transaction has validly vested in such person a title to the patent or any share or interest therein, the controller may refuse to take any action under clause A or as the case may be under clause B until the rights of the parties have been determined by a competent court. Fine. So, read the subsection carefully as I always say and then come to my explanation. Fine. For registration of title of any person, the controller shall or must be satisfied on the below points. Clause A says that person must have registered himself as the proprietor or co-proprietor of the patent and enter the particulars of the instrument, etc. in the register. Or clause B, the person entitled to any other interest in the patent must enter the notice of his interest in the register and the particulars of the instrument as well. Fine. In case of a dispute, the controller may refuse to take any action under clause A or clause B until the dispute is resolved. Fine. Next, subsection 4. there shall be supplied to the controller in the prescribed manner for being filed in the patent office copies of all agreements, licenses and other documents affecting the title to any patent or any license thereunder, authenticated in the prescribed manner, and also such other documents as may be prescribed relevant to the subject matter, provided that in the case of a license granted under a patent, the controller shall, if so requested by the patentee or licensee, take steps for securing that the terms of the license are not disclosed to any person except under the order of a court. Apply the same procedure here as well and come to my explanation. The controller shall be supplied with all the copies of agreements, licenses, etc. filed in the patent office regarding the title to any patent. Okay, provided the controller on request from the licensee or patentee takes steps for securing the terms of the license from all except under the order of a court. Fine. Okay, next is subsection 5. Except for the purposes of an application under subsection 1 or of an application to rectify the register, a document in respect of which no entry has been made in the register under subsection 3 shall not be admitted by the controller or by any court as evidence of the title of any person to a patent or to a share or interest, or to a share of interest therein, unless the controller or the court, for reasons to be recorded in writing, otherwise directs. Okay. So in short, I can say, just a minute, let me check one thing. 60, just a minute friends. I would like to read subsection 5 again, so please take a look. Except for the purposes of an application under subsection 1 or of an application to rectify the register, a document in respect of which no entry has been made in the register under subsection 3 shall not be admitted by the controller or by any court as evidence of the title of any person to a patent or to a share or interest therein, unless the controller or the court, for reasons to be recorded in writing, otherwise directs. Fine. So the simple meaning here is, a document for which no entry has been made in the register under section 69 subsection 3 shall not be admitted by the controller or by any court as evidence of the title of any person to a patent, etc., unless the court or the controller directs, for reasons to be recorded in writing, etc. Fine. Exceptions are for the purposes of an application under section 69 subsection 1 or an application for rectification of the register. Okay. So friends, this way all the subsections of section 69 is completed. So please go through my video. Please go through the bare act as well, as I always say. And please share my video among your friends, and please compliment or comment in the comment box. If you like it, please click a like also, and please subscribe my channel friends with pressing the bell icon. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, at last, thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed.